Samsung's next major unpacked event is anticipated to occur in July in Paris, with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 set to take center stage. Last week, a tipster shared a purported image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, revealing a wider cover screen. Recently, the reliable tipster Ice Universe provided a brief look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on X through what are claimed to be real-life renders. The latest image showcases a close-up of the top bezel of the upcoming foldables display. The design appears to be inspired by the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a boxy shape. In our previous video, we caught the first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. Now, the same source has posted the first live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this photo, we can see how the front screen of the Fold 6 looks. Keep in mind that it's not an actual device, but a dummy unit. According to the X user Ali, a Fold 6 dummy unit was found on a Korean forum. The accuracy of this information is uncertain. Ali posted 2 more photos today, showcasing live images of the Fold 6 dummy while the phone is unfolded. Ali mentioned that this appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6, noting that the squared edges create a notable difference. A slightly shorter but wider inner screen gives it a distinct look compared to the Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Here we have the first look of the outer display of Z Fold 6. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows a reduced hinge, contributing to a sleeker and wider design. What do you think of the new design? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will take design inspiration from competing bendable handsets, with a new alleged photo confirming this. Shared by reliable leaker Ice Universe, the image shows the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer screen, which is reported to be wider and sharper than the Fold 5's. The photo indicates a wider cover display, which according to one leak will increase from 57mm to over 60mm in width, aligning more with the OnePlus Open's design, which some consumers prefer for its usability. Ice Universe mentioned that the phone will feature symmetrical bezels, though it's difficult to determine if they will be slimmer from the photo. Previously leaked images suggest that Fold 6 will have sharper corners than Fold 5, but the current image only shows a portion of the screen, leaving the edges out of view. A tipster has shared a photo that appears to showcase a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Initially, rumors suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would feature the same underwhelming camera array as its predecessor, placing it below the best camera phones of 2024. However, recent rumors have sparked hope that the Z Fold 6 might replace some of its current rear camera sensors, which match the Galaxy S24's megapixel count, with a superior camera array. The current setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto unit. Reliable leaker Ice Universe recently posted a photo of what seems to be one of the rear cameras for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only hints at a new camera module design without specifying the specs, it seems unlikely that Samsung would redesign the module without upgrading the cameras. Ice Universe also mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would feature a less visible crease compared to the Fold 5, though it will still be noticeable. The phone was also spotted on the benchmarking site Geekbench, supporting rumors that it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. According to previous rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will adopt a boxier design and a wider outer screen, and it is expected to be thinner and lighter. However, not everything will change. Most leaks suggest it will retain the same 4,400 mAh battery and the same 25W charging speed as the last 4 models. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on July 10. Contrary to some earlier leaks, it will not be accompanied by budget or premium models. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.